Hi everyone, my name is Ruksar Nagra. Today I'm unboxing JEEMAK P200, which is LED projector, home theater projector. I'm gonna test this one. I bought it for the family to sometime have a quality time with the family. So we're gonna unbox this one today to see what's in the package and what extra feature this projector got. I'm gonna start unboxing it. Okay. Nicely packed. Okay, that's the package look like. Let's get it out. Okay, as usual, things are 2-year warranty card, little remote instruction, JEEMAK card. If you don't like the product, you can email them back and you can send them back. They will take the product for free and give you for refund. That's the remote control instruction, so you can see, you can follow that one as well. That's the other manual book. So basically it tell you everything in there, to how to adjust the lens and everything. I can see this little box in there, so let's see. That's the projector. Okay, that's packed nicely. Look nice. Good about this projector, you don't need to connect to your laptop. You can just connect it to Wi-Fi and you can watch all the channel, YouTube, Netflix and Amazon Prime online. Nothing left in the box. Let's see, that's the little box. It looked like some accessories in there, so we're gonna find out what's the accessory in there. Okay, okay, these are the accessories in there. That's basically a clip holder to put front of this, so you can if you're not using it, you can use that one on there. That's the remote. Nice. That's the cable for the electric to connect it. And good thing, they send you two cables. One is a UK model and the second one you can use the international, the Asia country, with they have only two plugs, even in America. That's nice. Let's see what's the batteries in there, if they send any batteries. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's the little clip. If you wanna see your if you wanna record any channels or any videos while you're watching it, they send you this little USB thing. And this take there's not a AAA battery in this one. It basically a 4x, so you might need a 4A battery. That's nice. That's everything, beautifully packed, and that's the whole package you get in this. So thanks for watching the video. Hopefully I'm gonna test that one in my next video, so make sure you like and subscribe my channel, so when my new video come up, so you can get the notification on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a good day and I'll see you again. Bye bye.